stuff my child's stocking, who is, believe it or not, 21 and in college, and she's looking forward to her stocking being stuffed. So moms, don't forget those 21-year-olds. So, and because of that, she gets lottery tickets that's gonna go on her stocking. Oh my gosh, this is her stocking. As you see, we have like many stockings that will go unfilled this year, but of course I got a little trick up my sleeve. And I don't typically put candy in there, but she loves Sour Patches. Hello, good people, and welcome to Fran's Friday Hack. Today, we're going to be talking about some amazing hacks for your stocking stuffers. So my kid is away at college, so I can stuff her stocking and leave it hanging on the mantle because guess what? She's not here. But you know, traditionally, we used to find apples and oranges in our stockings, and of course, I don't know about you, but in the South, we had this classic, everyone had a Lifesavers books in their stocking. So I'm gonna stuff my child's stocking, who is, believe it or not, 21 and in college, and she's looking forward to her stocking being stuffed. So moms, don't forget those 21-year-olds. So, and because of that, she gets lottery tickets that's gonna go on her stocking. Oh my gosh, this is her stocking. As you see, we have like many stockings that will go unfilled this year, but of course I got a little trick up my sleeve. And I don't typically put candy in there, but she loves Sour Patches. So that's the only, oh, wait a minute. That's the only non-chocolate candy that she'll get in her stocking stuff. But, you know, I wanted to talk about some untraditional items that you will put in there. Like, you know, she's going away. So this I found at the dollar store. And, you know, what kid doesn't need, you know, a light toothpaste and toothbrush to put in her stocking? Also, her favorite is, guess what? Eyeshadow, mascara. So we're gonna put mascara in her stocking stuffer. And then I just wanna show you a couple really nice things that are, you know, not expensive that I found at the dollar store. The kids are into e.l.f. I found some e.l.f. and I found e.l.f. lip gloss. This color is called Frosted, called Fantasy. It is amazing. It gives shine and glitter and it's just beautiful. So some other things that, you know, I thought about, things that she'll need is, she's gonna need this, international money, euros, to travel this summer. So you know what? Instead of me just saying, here's $100, here's $200, I went and exchanged the money, and here you go, it's going in her stocking stuffer. Little things that are just really cute, like Essie nail polish. You know, of course, with that toothbrush, you need some floss. You know, these are little things to get. And this right here came from the dollar store, and I swear it works miracles. And it's the makeup vanishing towel, and it does this smear, it wipes completely off, and it's only $1. Picked it up at the dollar store. And you know, she gave me some stuff, don't tell anybody, last Christmas for my feet, and it had so many packets, so I decided to throw one of those in hers. She will never know. It's new. All right, it's COVID, we're still having problems. So you know what, I got her some Clear Defense, and it's simple. It's just individual, let me pull it out for a second, cleaning towelettes that would keep her clean and free of COVID, hopefully. And just small things like Tic Tacs. And this we really love. It's something for your pores. Just little things will go on her stocking. So you're saying, oh my gosh, you have so many items that will go on her stocking. Of course, we have about 8 stockings here, so she will probably get 2 of them. But you know, I wanted to show you how you can stuff a stocking with simple things that kids will really need every day in their lifestyle. So that's your tip for today. That's your hack for today. If you have any questions, share, like, and subscribe to us. And thank you for joining us at Fran's Friday Hacks. I know I need to do that over. So